Grinding wheels designation and selection. The way the abrasive grains, bonding material, and the air gaps are structured determines the parameters of the grinding wheel, which are abrasive material, grain size, bonding material, wheel grade, and wheel structure. To achieve the desired performance in a given application, each parameter must be carefully selected. Number 1. Abrasive types. These are hard materials with adequate toughness which act as cutting edges for a sufficiently long time. They also have the ability to fracture into smaller pieces when the force increases, which is termed as friability. This property gives the abrasives the necessary self-sharpening capability. The abrasives that are generally used, abrasives and work material. At first, there are aluminum oxide, and the work material is hardened steels and cast iron. Then silicon carbide, work material. Cemented carbides, aluminum, brush, brittle materials. Then cubic boron nitride, work material. Tool steels, aerospace alloys, and diamond. This work material is ceramics, cemented carbides. Number 2. Grain size. Compared to a normal cutting tool, the abrasives used in a grinding wheel are relatively small. The grain size of the abrasives particle is an important parameter in determining surface finish and material removal rate. Small grid sizes take a very small depth of cut and hence provide a better surface finish, while larger grain sizes permit larger material removal rates. The abrasive grains are classified in a screen mesh procedure. In this procedure, smaller grid sizes have larger numbers and vice versa. Grain sizes used in grinding wheels typically range between 6 and 600. Grid size 6 is very coarse and size 600 is very fine. Finer grid sizes up to 1000 are used in some finishing operations. There are 3 figures. First one is screen number 8, grain size 8. In the second figure, there are screen number 24 and grain size also 24. And in the third figure, screen number 60 and grain size is 60. Number 3. Bond. The bonding material holds the abrasive grains and establishes the shape and structural integrity of the grinding wheel. Desirable properties of the bond material include strength, toughness, hardness, and temperature resistance. Vitrified bond. Vitrified bond material consists chiefly of ceramic materials. Most grinding wheels in common use are vitrified bond wheels. They are strong and rigid, resistant to elevated temperatures, and relatively unaffected by cutting fluids. Next, rubber bond. Rubber is the most flexible of the bonding materials. It is used as a bonding material in cut-off wheels. Next, resinoid bond. This bond is made of various thermosetting resin materials. They have very high strength and are used for rough grinding and cut-off operations. Next one, metallic bond. Metal bonds, usually bronze, are the common bond material for diamond and Sevian grinding wheels. Diamond and Sevian abrasive grains are bond material to only the outside periphery of the wheel, thus conserving the costly abrasive materials.